Manitoulin Island in Lake Autumn takes on several characteristics. The weather is cooler. The winds are stronger. The farms have their fields fallow, bare of crops and hay, ready to receive the winter snow cover. The highways and towns are empty of summer visitors. We felt like we were the only ones crisscrossing the island, looking for scenic views and sunset views. So join us on our little adventure as we explore the sights of the island. We're at South Baymouth, the home of the ferry terminal building. Seasonal ferry services between Manitoulin Island and Tobermory is now closed. But during the summer, thousands of visitors would use the service to vacation on the island. We walked along the boardwalk by the harbor marina and across the bridge to a small island. It's just after 1 o'clock. We had stopped at South Baymouth for lunch. We made some sandwiches and we're just having a little picnic at the end of this dock. It was a windy day for an outdoor picnic, but we enjoyed the panoramic view of Lake Huron. Next up, we drove along the back roads to get to Providence Bay. Located along the south coast west of South Baymouth, known for its sandy beach. A boardwalk along the Providence Bay beach helps to protect the natural sand dunes and grass growing on the dunes. During the summer, one can imagine the hundreds of beachgoers enjoying the sand and water. But on this late autumn, there were only us and a handful of residents. Manitoulin Island has been inhabited for thousands of years by Canada's Indigenous people. Here at Providence Bay, the Ojibwe name for this place translates to where the sands curve around the bay. After Providence Bay, we weaved our way towards the North Channel. Our plan was to cross over to Barrie Island, where we hoped to see the sunset over the waters of Bayfield Sound. The land is flat here. The quiet roads wind around grazing lands and marshy woodlands, with the scattered houses flashing by. Here at the very western edge of Barrie Island, there is a small park where we can watch the sunset. as we headed back towards the Barrie Island Causeway to rejoin Manitoulin Island, we surprised a family of deer grazing in the field. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Leave a comment and give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe and be notified of more upcoming videos.